I keep gathering information and I don't do anything about it. But the process of gathering information gives me so much satisfaction as if I'm already doing it. And that is really fucking me up right now. Because let's say let's say I wanna do a startup. I start asking ChatGPT, okay, what to do, how do people do this, how do people do that, and that is very important. That is a crucial step. That you need it to sort of, like get into that zone to sort of bring the things which were scattered all in the air, which looked like a dream, which looked farther than they are. Maybe they start feeling closer to you because you're looking at real life examples. And now it's not just you bluffing, but you actually planning. And yeah, maybe ChatGPT would tell you the same thing, that that's cool. And you're taking a step, and maybe that would make you feel so good that you get away from screen and then you forget about everything. But it still makes you happy that you tried in your own comfort zone to just research about that. And no, that's not how it works. I don't think so. Because sometimes, being a perfectionist myself, I tend to prepare so much. Ki nothing needs. Not, I don't wanna look like that cringe person, that cringe creator. Who are doing very well now. I don't wanna have that phase where you know i I feel embarrassed, where people pass judgments on me but I have nothing to stand on. I have nothing to, like, I don't feel backed by any sort of confidence, and any sort of proof that what I'm doing is right, and maybe it would lead to something good. So I know that happens, but you cannot be perfect in your first time. And this is just to make sure you know that you need to kickstart, you need to make an impromptu effort at whatever you're trying to do. Because, because, yeah, because you just need to, like, do it raw. And that's how you're gonna figure out the things you're lacking. And then things are gonna lead to perfection. You're never perfect on your first try. And it's okay. It's genuinely okay. Because this bubble where you, because the amount of information, I'm sure it happens to you when sometimes the amount of information that you've gathered, it sort of overwhelms you so much that, let's say, after leaving the screen, you don't forget anything. But you are so overwhelmed and disappointed in yourself because you're like, I want to start, but I don't know how to. And y- like, you don't know how to start, but you know you need to. And that disappointment and stagnation, and yeah, then the difference that you see between between the things in your mind, the that you see yourself doing, and the things you see yourself happening to you, and what is there in front of you, are very different right now. And it makes you hate yourself. So you're like, how do I start? What do I do? Then you keep asking more questions and you gather more information. And I'm not saying it's wrong, but just a heads up that just do it raw, do it cringe, do it fucked up, but like really do it, because that's what's gonna lead you to where you wanna be. So yeah, have a good day.